Hi guys, this is a Samsung Galaxy S2 smartphone which you're looking at right now on your screen, and in this video we'll be checking out on how you can install an all new custom ROM firmware that's called as Neat ROM. So as the name itself suggests, that the Neat ROM means that it's fully consisting of the stock ROM, that's nothing but the default firmware, and is based on the UHLPS firmware which was recently released by Samsung. In this Neat custom ROM firmware there are many other features, but the best part is the stock ROM look is being maintained, along with a pinch of other applications have been added, and also the look has been changed with the native look of ice cream sandwich which you can find it on the Galaxy Nexus smartphones and also other original Google phones as well. So as you can see that, so before starting up, first up you need to ensure that you have downloaded the zip file of Neat ROM from the mentioned link below this video. So once you have downloaded, connect your phone to the computer with the help of original USB cable and place this downloaded zip file in your smartphone. Ensure that you're not placing this file deep into the subfolders, or else you'll be unable to find out the same in the recovery mode, which we'll be looking out on how you can enter the same. So first up, ensuring that your device is already rooted and installed with the clockwork mod recovery. Let's proceed the same. So once it's rooted and installed with the CWM, just find out the app called CWM. That is this one, as you can see over here. Just tap on the same, and then after that you can see that the CWM super user has been granted. So just in case if it asks you for the prompt, just click on grant. Now all you need to do is reboot the phone into the clockwork mod recovery. Tap on reboot. So as you can see that the phone is getting booted in the recovery mode. So this is a recovery mode which are seeing it right now on your screen. Before doing that, you need to first up ensure that the data and factory reset options are being selected. So with the help of volume down keys and the power button, you need to select the same. So it's done. Now up next, select the wipe cache partition. Once it's done, just select the same. And now up next, go into advanced option and wipe the Dalvik cache section as well. Just tap on yes. And now, just in case if there are any lag fixes which you have installed, then you need to ensure that you have disabled the same, which is generally there listed in the advanced option itself. Since this phone doesn't have any of the recovery or the lag fixes, this option is not yet for there present. You can alternatively also wipe the battery stats which are being shown over here. Ensure that you're not going into the section of mounts and storage and mounting the storage and all, because this will again mess up the things. So let's check it out, which are the options being should not select it. So ensure that you're not going into this option of this mounts and storage, or else it will be stuck on the screen of Robo as you have seen it earlier. So now all you need to do is select the option of install zip from SD card, and once you do so, just select this option of choose zip from internal SD card, and after that a whole slurry of applications and the things which are there in your phone will be listed over here in the path module. So after this, just select the option of UHLPS Neat ROM full.zip. So now again there are two types of Neat ROM versions available over here, that is, one is a full version and another one is a light version. It's recommended for one to select the full version itself because it consists with all the full functionalities and all, in which also the Gmail has been updated, Google Maps is updated, Also, all the applications are being the latest versions as on 1st July 2012. So just select UHLPS NeedROM full.zip file, and then with the help of volume keys just tap on yes, install the same. Once you select the same, the installation process will be started. Now as you can see that the system updates are being installed as it's mentioned over here. Ensure that you are not interrupting the process of firmware update in the middle, or else your phone may also get bricked up and all. So as you can see that there is a status bar which is seeing it right now on your screen. It will gradually move up as when the custom firmware gets installed in your phone. And also the best part of this firmware is it supports various languages, that's Dutch, English, Espanol, and Bulgarian, Greek, Uzbekistan, Turk. The Korean language is also supported. Also there are very slurry of languages that are being supported in this firmware. And also there are many other options as well, that is super user, SD card issues have been fixed in this one, and also the EFS auto backup. EFS folder is auto backed up in this version of firmware. So you can see that the installation from SD card has been completed. Now all you need to do is just select the option of go back, and then just click on reboot system now. So once you do so, the phone will be rebooted in the new firmware. So you need to wait for some time till the phone gets booted up. As you can see that the Samsung Galaxy S2 logo is being flashed. Now the S logo. There have been many versions of this firmware which fortunately or unfortunately didn't cover it, but then again the version which we are covering it right now is one of the latest and is one of the stable firmwares ever, and it's called as a NeedROM, and the kernel is CR 3.3.2 version, and again that's one of the best kernels available for S2. And also it comes with the CSE of X6LP7, which is again one of the most stable CSEs available over here for S2. And also in this, especially the camera and the GPS were a cause of concern in the previous versions of NeedROM, but now in this custom ROM firmware, in this version of custom ROM firmware, it has been addressed it pretty well, and there are no issues being reported as of now. So for all the font lovers also, this ROM comes with a flurry of fonts, which also include the latest Android Robonto font, which is installed in this custom ROM firmware. Just need to wait for 3 to 4 minutes more probably, because since it's the first time the device is being booted up, it will take more time than expected, because it has to ready up all the system files and all the applications it has to install. So there are various things which needs to be processed. So just in case if you want a call recording option as well, we have mentioned the APKs in the below link. So now as you can see that it's now installing the applications. That's the Kaiser application which you are seeing it right now on your screen, and the gallery option which is being loaded up. Then the Polaris Office, there's a Polaris Office logo which you're seeing it right now on your screen. And there's an email logo which is being installed now. messaging logo, the blue colored, the swipe, there's a wallpaper slogan, there's a voice one. So as you can see that by default the language is in Espanol. We can anyways change it. Let's check out on which language is there. So that's English, United Kingdom. Just tap on start. These are all the things you can also do it at a later stage, not now. Okay, next. You can name your phone device. You can do it this one as well at a later stage. Just tap on next, and now that's it. Setup has been completed. So now let's check it out. So this is a first look of neat ROM. As in the name suggests, this is one of the neatest firmwares ever. So let's check out neat deep. It's pretty much smoother and also almost looks like a stock firmware. As you can see, the application for Reader's Hub, Social Hub, Maps and Play Store located at the front. And then you have got a normal applications list which is there in the stock firmware. So let's check it out whether the firmware has been successfully updated or not. Let's tap on menu, and then the settings, and then the about phone. So you can see that the LPG, there's a firmware version, kernel, build and all, baseband, and the build number as you can see UHLPS neat ROM full edition, which we have opted to install this on. Let's check out the fonts which this one has got. Tap on settings. So these are the options which are seeing it right now on your screen. Then tap on next. Then the font style. Here is the font style. So you can see that there are many fonts which are being located over here. Also there are many options which are being given in this which are not there in the stock firmware, which you can make use of the same. VPN option is also given in this, which is already there in the stock firmware as well. Let's check out the wallpapers which this one has got along with. Again you can see that these are the stock wallpapers itself. So there are different packages which you can make use of them, and probably you can further much more customize your device. So that's it from us. Stay tuned for more updates.